Okay, through the last bedroom is the garage that we are over. So what we did was we put some plywood down, put some carpet down, and then sheetrocked the rest. So that's actually the outside of the house. There's a little like bump out from just, the way the house is built. Then we did a 2-foot kick wall, I think it's called. So it doesn't go all the way down to kind of shape things out. But the biggest problem with this room, once I go into the room, is you can hear the echo. It is so echoey. Oh yeah. Okay, first I'm gonna put these on because it's so loud. All right, I'm ready. That was good. All right, so we are going to show you the solution now, which is from a company called Primacoustic, or Primacoustic, however you say it. What it is, let's see. We've got these panels here. They're, what color are they, black? We've got 2x2s and 2x4s, and we're gonna be hanging these on the wall. But the difference between these and others is these are actually solid foam. They're very hard foam, actually. It's almost like a particle foam, almost like fiberglass foam. It's like a special type of acoustic foam it's actually very heavy, and then it's covered in fabric. And then for the hangers, these are special hangers that are not cheap. I'm going to show you what they look like. They're very sharp, but we hang these on the wall, and then the sharp ends go into the foam, and that's what holds them on the wall. So that's what we're going to use. Okay, and once we do this, we will then do some tests to see if it actually makes a difference, and then we'll see if we can recommend this or not. Other things you're going to need are a stud finder, because we want to go into the studs, and I got these. Let's see if I can open this. There we go. These are 1 inch, I think. What are they? What does it say? 1 1/4 inch. They're just screws, but they're a little star bit, which I kind of like. Then I'm going to use a drill to drill in. Now each of these have 2 holes. Probably go ahead and use both, but I'm going to try to get it into the stud so it actually sticks. All right, that's solid. So when you take these, you're going to put it in and then down. So you have to take into account if you're going to be putting, especially if you're putting them in level, you're going to lose about a 1/2 inch for the amount that it goes in and then down. So well, that's in there. Okay. And when you're ready to put it up, that's it.
It already looks off.
It doesn't look level, does it? I'm going to get it level.
That is totally not level.
Okay, let's see if we're level. Oh, it's way off. So this was one thing I failed to mention that we needed at the beginning. So what I'm going to do is we're going to take this off.
Yeah.
There. Now it's level.
You here?
Wow. I already can tell the difference.
Okay.
It sounds like a pillow. All right, so we got our second one. As you can see, Austin was learning how to use a stud finder. Everyone has to be trained. It's okay. All right, now over here. Are we about even with that one over there?
Let's see.
All right, that's in. Okay, so we've got 2 up over on that side, and we've got 2 up over on the other side. And now we're going to put these big ones up on this ceiling part here. So we've got 8 of those. So we're going to do 4 across, try to make them as even as possible. Let's see, move to your right, other way. Okay, left. No. Stop. Right. Now raise it up to the ceiling.
Lifting. Okay.
All the way. Further. Okay, that's good. All right, so we've completed one wall.
Melodies
hung the last one, and it looks really good in here.
Mm-hmm.
And actually, the only thing I can hear now is the drum. It's very, very quiet in here. So let's talk about lessons learned.
Okay.
First of all, we only use 2 of these hangers per thing. 24 for $40. Very expensive. Kind of overkill, I think. But they work really well. They're proprietary for just this brand. So one box did it. So the biggest lessons we learned here is we had to measure the distance between here, the bottom and the top. And then as you can see, we used the level between the two to make sure that we were level all the way across. So it's important to make it look decent and even. One other thing is that because we only use 2 and we put them in the center, there's a little bit of a wobble here. Let's see if I can show you. See? A little bit, just a tiny little bit, not much to really be worried about. I mean, you're not going to be touching them on the wall anyway, but I would say if you could do 1 in each corner, caddy corner, then you might be able to get around that. But it's nothing. Or if you could afford to do 4, then you would for sure have it solid on the wall. Okay, so now we're going to get everything back in its place, and we'll try a sound test to see if... Okay, we've got the room put back together and vacuumed, and we got the sound studio set up. As you can see, we got a portable air conditioner when it gets hot in here, and some JBLs, which I really love. Oh, let me just show you something. So we've got just a USB mixer for when we're recording. This is a CD player, old school, but it works. And then the mixer and everything's coming out through the JBLs. Let's run this test to see what it sounds like. First of all, let's turn some music on.